So if you stumble up on a situation like I have, and looks like this is pretty common problem, and her tire pressure sensor went out just for no reason. Hello guys, my name is Roman. Welcome to my channel. I just want to make a real quick video touch on Nissan tire pressure system, tire pressure monitor system. So I was working on this. This is 2017 Nissan Sentra. I had a tire pressure light on the dash. So one of the sensors was bad on this car. My original sensors have rubber stems, and when I called dealer and gave them year, make and model, they gave me a part number for an aluminum stem tire pressure sensor. So I figured, well, they're probably interchangeable, but as it turns out, it's not. I was trying to program an aluminum tire pressure sensor to this car and it wouldn't take it. So as soon as I got the right one with the rubber stem sensor, the programming went through. So if you stumble up on a situation like I have, and looks like this is pretty common problem, because my sister have a 2016 Nissan Versa, and her tire pressure sensor went out just for no reason. And so if you got rubber stem tire pressure sensor, do not try to put on aluminum stem tire pressure sensor, because the car is not going to take it. You won't be able to program it to the car. Get the same sensor you had. If you had aluminum stem, get an aluminum stem. If you had a rubber stem, get a rubber stem sensor. Okay? All right? And if you haven't seen my video where I'm starting to rebuild this Tesla right here, so check it out. Check my other videos, and please subscribe to my channel. There are going to be more videos for the Tesla, and I'm going to do probably once a week like a quick tip videos. I'm gonna touch on DIY stuff, like DIY paint jobs, like how you can do your own paint job, like paint your own bumper, or body filler, or like body work, mechanic work, probably mostly stuff that has to do with cars. So if you're interested in projects like that, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.